Welcome to Watches at Joe's. I'm Joe. Thanks for dropping by my channel. Today, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Golby Aquareef 40 that I have in for review. Let's get going. We're just going to see that it came along with this nice little black pouch. It's got the Golby logo on front. On the back, we have the contact information for both Craig and Sarah, where you can email them at, their Instagram, and their website. Reach out to them. They're awesome people if you've got any questions about their watches. Inside, we are going to get a nice little cleaning cloth with the Golby logo printed in a variety of colors, which I think a lot of these have been used in their other watches. So that's pretty cool. So inside of my shipping container was this nice Golby box. It's got the logo on top. Very simple cardboard box. As we go to open it, pretty easy to open. We're going to get another box inside of this box. But inside of here should be our actual watch. So we've got what looks to be the same colors as the British Watchmaker Day style they did for the Coastal. That's really cool. They're great colors. This is a nice navy. It's a great red and the white. We get the full Golby logo with the frame on the outside here. As we unzip, we are going to find ourselves a lot of foam. That is great for protecting a very nice watch and shipping. Just quickly as we look inside, we're going to have a silicone gel pack to keep humidity at bay. We're going to get a FKM rubber strap that matches the teal that goes onto this Golby Aquareef 40. We're also going to get a warranty card, it looks like. Pretty cool. You'll get the QR code and be able to register your watch that way. And we're also going to get a screwdriver. So I will use that in this block in a little bit after this video to get this bracelet sized up so I can start wearing it to see how it actually works on my wrist. But we can quickly move over from the bracelet to the strap and just get it on wrist real quick before we end the video. That is the advantage of your bracelets coming with quick release straps. It makes it super easy for anyone to just take them off, put on the FKM rubber. You always wonder how much you're going to embarrass yourself while doing this sort of operation, but that's okay. It's part of the banter, it's part of the fun. Okay, so we've got that on now. Take off my notice. Put this guy on. Right away, this is a nice feeling FKM strap. Pretty easy to use. Zoom in the camera a little bit here. And I am going to sign off here so I can get that bracelet size to see how that feels on wrist, because I like how this is feeling already. But I'm going to spend some time with this, get some macro shots, and do a full review video. So look for that within the next few days. Thank you very much for dropping by the channel. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe, please like. If there's anything you want to know about this watch in the review, please leave a comment below. And again, thanks for dropping by, and I'll hopefully see you guys very soon. Bye.